What's up, guys? It's Anthony from AB Fitness Center, where we help you to lose body fat, gain muscle, and get stronger. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a recipe into MyFitnessPal. Most of you guys have been asking me about, oh, okay, Anthony, look, I have this recipe. How do I figure out how many macros it is for the recipe? So what I did was, and I'll share my screen here really fast. So what I did was I basically found this random recipe. I just typed in chicken recipes and what is it? Chicken fried rice. So I got the ingredients. And what I did was I'm using MyFitnessPal on the computer. The first step is plugging in all the ingredients to find out the total number of calories it is for the full meal. So in this full meal, so I'm going to write this down. I'll show you my notes. My handwriting is terrible. So 2,500 calories, 2,572 cals, okay? 240 carbs. And again, this is for the whole recipe. 77 fat. And I would modify this recipe a lot. They have like it's like 4 tablespoons of oil in this recipe and 260 grams of protein. Okay. So that's the total calories for the whole meal. So now we're going to figure out the portion of this. So it says here somewhere, yeah, it says it yields 6 servings. So that means that this whole thing makes 6 servings. Again, you could do this differently. You could say, okay, I'm making this whole thing and I'm going to divide this whole thing into 8 servings, but we'll just go with 6 just to keep it pretty simple. So what we would do in that case is I'm doing this off camera now. So we're going to divide everything by 6. So 2,572 divided by 6, 428 calories. Okay, carbs, 240 divided by 6, 40 carbs, 77 fat divided by 6, 13 grams of fat. And the protein is 260 divided, I got my calculator, sorry guys, you can't see what I'm doing, divided by 6. So I'm just dividing everything by 6, 43 grams of protein. So that's in 1 serving of this. So now we figured out what 1 serving of this thing is going to yield. So this is what I'll do. So now I will go to My Foods. Again, this looks a little different on the computer. So I go to My Foods and I'll create a food. So create a food. So this is the AB Fitness. AB Fitness is the brand, and we'll do chicken fried rice. Nope, this is not a duplicate. All right, so now serving size is 1 out of 6. Okay, this way I know what it is. Servings per container, 6. So you can actually figure out whatever the serving is. 1, I just put 1 serving out of 6. Okay, then I just punch it in. Calories, 428. Fat, 13. Carbs, no, where's carbs? Where am I buying? Oh, here it is. Carbs is 40. Oop, 40. And protein is 43. And then we'll add it to meal 3 just so it doesn't cover this. Yes, edit. And save. Please correct the following. 1 serving. Save. And there you go. So now we put it in. So this is it. So now I'll just delete this rest of the stuff. Delete, delete. Oh God. Delete, 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 and delete. Again, this is a lot easier using the phone. Just swipe it. And there it is. So there's my 1 serving out of 6 for that recipe. So here's this recipe. Okay. Whatever it is, then you would just follow the directions and everything else. And that's what it looks like. Not too bad. It's got a ton of oil in it. So you could easily half. This recipe has 4 tablespoons of total oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, and 2 tablespoons of regular oil. You could literally cut that to 1 tablespoon for the whole thing and be good. But anyway, neither here nor there. So this is what the recipe looks like. And now you have it in your MyFitnessPal ready to go going forward. So now if you remake this recipe every time, here it is. Now you just plug it in and you just kind of fit the day based on that. So there's your recipe. So that's how you fit recipes in. You need to figure out the total calories in the whole batch, okay? Then from the whole batch, you need to figure out how many servings of it you're gonna have, and then that's how you figure it out. So we said this whole batch is gonna make 6 servings, okay? So that means we divide the whole thing by 6, and that's how we get the numbers. So hopefully this has helped you guys. If it has, please make sure you hit that like button this way and the subscribe button. This way you never miss a beat and you get real life applicable fitness information without the fluff. All right, if this video helped you, make sure you watch the next couple because they're going to be even better. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.